The Church of Christ, which he has hallowed here to be his house, is scattered far and near, in north and south and east and west abroad. And yet in earth and heaven, through Christ our Lord, the church is one. This hymn by August Gottlieb von Spangenberg is the story of what we're doing this year for the Moravian Music Festival. Every 4 years, musicians and lovers of Moravian music gather for a lively celebration of the Moravian musical heritage, past and present, in Moravian music festivals that are filled with worship, learning, music, social connections, fun, and fellowship. And this year, my friends, this is a festival year. Due to the pandemic, though, this year the festival will look and feel quite different. We will convene the festival online. There will be lots of content for you to choose from. We'll connect remotely for roundtables and social events. We'll offer videos of seminars, lectures, and music performances. We're working on the plans and production now, and you can just imagine the joyful activity behind the scenes. A festival planning committee is meeting regularly to review plans and make decisions, and I can hardly wait to share this experience with you. As of now, it looks like Ensembles will be limited to online collaborations, a virtual choir and a virtual band, and pre-recorded videos of concerts. We'll all be working on these projects during this spring, and they'll go live during Festival Week, 18 through 24 July 2021. And be assured our two principal conductors, John Sinclair and Alan Frank, are very deeply involved in crafting a musically enriching and fun festival for us all. When life hands us lemons, we'll make lemonade. We celebrate knowing that having this festival online will actually allow for more participation from more people. There are always those who can't take a week's vacation to come to Bethlehem or Winston-Salem. There are always those who simply cannot afford the travel or just can't make it happen. Here's your chance to participate fully from wherever you are. All you'll need is access to a computer or tablet or smartphone, either in your own home or gathered safely with others in a home or church. We are especially looking forward to engaging with our Moravian brothers and sisters from around the world. Come back and check this website frequently, and we'll see you all in July.